In this video, we are talking about one of the most popular loan apps in the UAE, Botim loan app. Many of you already know Botim as a communication app, but it also provides an amazing send now pay later SNPL feature that gives you instant loan in UAE. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button so you don't miss any future updates on finance and banking in the UAE. Before we dive into the process, let's quickly understand why Botim is one of the most trusted apps in the UAE. Botim is licensed and regulated by the UAE Central Bank through partnership with licensed financial institution. The app is widely used not only for calling and chatting but also for safe and secure money transfers. There is no minimum salary requirement for Botim loan app, whereas some other cash loan apps like Deem Finance require a minimum salary of 5,000 dirhams per month. Loan amount can be repaid from 2 months to 6 months. Here, what you should do and not do when using SNPL. Use SNPL to send money only abroad. It cannot be used for domestic transfers within the UAE. Make sure the amount plus any fees fits within your approved limit. If your approved loan limit is 300 dirhams, the amount you select to send should be around 290 dirhams. Choose a suitable installment plan that aligns with your budget within 2 to 6 months of repayment period. Always repay on time. That builds trust and can increase your SNPL limit in future. Now let's go step by step on how you can use the send now pay later feature inside Botim. Open the Botim app on your phone. Tap on Send Now Pay Later option. First, you will have to get the loan approved. It frequently occurs that SNPL service is inactive. You must first use Botim's international transfer feature a few times in order to activate the service. Botim partnered with Context, and this makes possible to give you license service of SNPL by the Central Bank of UAE. You will see the loan amount approved for you. It could be 300 dirhams, 500 dirhams or 1500 dirhams or even higher depending on eligibility. You have the flexibility to select the installment plan. Click on Use Now, select the country and enter the amount you want to send. The amount should be slightly less than the total approved so fees are covered. You have already saved the beneficiary or add a new one and then confirm. Select the installment plan. It could be 2 months, 3 months or up to 6 months depending on your loan amount. Accept the terms and confirm and enter your Botim passcode. That's it. The money is processed and usually reaches the receiver within 2 business days. If you send on Friday, Saturday or Sunday, it may take up to 5 days. Now here are some important financial tips if you are planning to use instant loan apps in the UAE. Borrow only what you need. Instant loans are quick but should be used wisely for emergencies, not for daily shopping. Always check the fees and installment options before confirming. Missing payments may affect your credit score in the UAE. Compare apps. While Botim is trusted, you should also know about other loan apps like Deem, Cash Now or Live Bank. Plan repayment. Keep a reminder so you never miss due dates. This will help you maintain a strong financial profile in the UAE. So that's how you can use Botim SNPL loan feature in 2025 to get instant loan in the UAE. It's fast, simple and one of the most trusted loan options available of its credibility and central bank licensing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you always stay updated with the latest financial tools and apps in the UAE. Take care of your finances, borrow smart, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.